Running a vending route is easy, and you can make excellent income. With vending machines, the startup cost can be a bit high, especially if you want multiple locations. The good thing is you'll make lots of quarters. With honor boxes, the startup cost is much lower. You'll get them shipped to you, and you'll put them together, and you'll build lots of them. Honor boxes are smaller, so it's real easy to get them out at multiple locations. You'll make lots of pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, and lots of dollar bills. Candy That Cares boxes have laminated surfaces, easy to clean and built to last, so you can reuse them over and over for years. Whatever you decide, vending machines and honor boxes are both great ways to run a vending route. Do the math and see what works best for you.